Philips Evnia 32M2N6901A review. A premium 4K QD-OLED gaming monitor with AI Ambiglow. Philips has expanded its premium Evnia gaming lineup with the Evnia 32M2N6901A, a 31.5-inch 4K QD-OLED gaming monitor designed for gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand exceptional image quality and high-speed performance. Combining a 3842,160 Ultra HD resolution, 165 Hz refresh rate, 0.03 milliseconds GTG response time, DisplayPort 2.1, and Philips' signature AI-powered Ambiglow, the monitor delivers an impressive mix of immersive visuals, responsive gameplay, and productivity-focused features. Unlike many gaming monitors that focus solely on refresh rates, the Evnia 32M2N6901A is built as an all-round premium display. Whether you're playing the latest A games, competing in esports titles, editing 4K videos, or working across multiple devices, this monitor is designed to deliver excellent performance in every scenario. Key specifications: display, 31.5-inch QD-OLED panel resolution, 3842,160, 4K UHD, refresh rate, 165 Hz response time, 0.03 milliseconds GTGH, VESA Display HDR True Black 400, Adaptive Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro Color Coverage, 100% sRGB, 99% DCI-P3, 97.5% Adobe RGB, contrast ratio, 1,500,000 to 1 connectivity, DisplayPort 2.1, 2 HDMI 2.1, USB-C with 90 W power delivery, USB hub audio, dual 5 W speakers with DTS Virtual, X special features, AI Ambiglow, KVM switch, PIP-PBP, Smart Crosshair, Stark Shadow Boost, Graphene Cooling Shield elegant design with AI Ambiglow. The Evnia 32M2N6901A follows Philips' modern design philosophy with a clean white finish, ultra-slim bezels, and a premium build quality that looks equally impressive in a gaming room or professional workspace. The ergonomic stand supports height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, allowing users to find a comfortable viewing position during long gaming or work sessions. One of its standout features is AI Ambiglow. Unlike standard RGB lighting, Ambiglow analyzes the colors displayed on the screen and projects matching light onto the wall behind the monitor. This creates a larger visual effect, enhances immersion during gaming and movies, and helps reduce eye strain when using the monitor in darker environments. Stunning 4K QD-OLED picture quality. The highlight of the Evnia 32M2N6901A is its 31.5-inch QD-OLED panel, which combines OLED technology with quantum dot enhancements. The result is deeper blacks, vibrant colors, higher brightness, and wider viewing angles than conventional IPS or VA displays. With its 4K Ultra HD resolution, the monitor delivers exceptionally sharp images, crisp text, and outstanding detail. Whether you're editing high-resolution photos, watching HDR movies, or playing visually demanding games, the display offers excellent clarity and realism. Philips has also optimized the panel to improve text rendering, making it more comfortable for everyday productivity tasks such as browsing, coding, and office work. Professional color accuracy. Although designed for gaming, the Evnia 32M2N6901A is equally capable for creative professionals. It covers 100% of the sRGB color space, 99% DCI-P3, and 97.5% Adobe RGB, providing excellent color accuracy for photography, video editing, graphic design, and digital content creation. Its factory calibration ensures colors are accurate straight out of the box, while the 10-bit panel produces smoother gradients with reduced color banding. This makes the monitor suitable for both entertainment and professional workflows. Fast gaming performance is one of the monitor's biggest strengths. The combination of a 165 Hz refresh rate, 0.03 milliseconds gray-to-gray response time, and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro delivers incredibly smooth gameplay with minimal ghosting and screen tearing. Competitive gamers will appreciate the responsive performance in fast-paced games like Counter-Strike 2, Valorant, Call of Duty, Warzone, and Apex Legends, while RPG and open-world titles benefit from the monitor's exceptional HDR contrast and vivid colors. Additional gaming features include Smart Crosshair, Smart Sniper, Stark Shadow Boost, and multiple Smart Image game modes, giving players more control and visibility across different game genres. HDR performance. The monitor carries VSA Display HDR True Black 400 certification, allowing it to produce impressive HDR visuals with deep blacks, bright highlights, and excellent shadow detail. Because old technology controls each pixel individually, HDR content appears significantly more realistic than on traditional LCD displays. Games and movies benefit from improved contrast, richer colors, and greater depth, creating a more cinematic viewing experience. Advanced OLED protection. To improve long-term reliability, Philips has equipped the Evnia 32M2N6901A with a graphene cooling shield, which efficiently dissipates heat across the panel. Combined with old care technologies such as pixel refresh, pixel orbiting, and automatic brightness optimization, the monitor helps minimize the risk of image retention and extends the lifespan of the OLED panel. Modern connectivity and productivity. The Evnia 32M2N6901A is equipped with a comprehensive range of modern connectivity options. It includes DisplayPort 2.1, two HDMI 2.1 ports, USB-C with 90W power delivery, multiple USB-A ports, and a headphone jack. The USB-C connection allows compatible laptops to receive video, data, and charging through a single cable, making desk setups cleaner and more convenient. The built-in KVM switch lets users control two computers using one keyboard and mouse, while picture-in-picture PIP and picture-by-picture PBP modes make multitasking easier for professionals and streamers. Built-in audio. Philips includes dual 5W stereo speakers enhanced with DTS Virtual X technology, while dedicated speakers or gaming headsets still provide superior sound quality. The built-in audio system is suitable for video conferencing, casual gaming, streaming, and everyday multimedia use. Pros: stunning 31.5-inch 4K QD-OLED display, excellent HDR performance with deep blacks 165J refresh rate and ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, wide professional-grade color coverage. AI-powered Ambiglow lighting system, DisplayPort 2.1 and USB-C with 90W. Power delivery, built-in KVM switch for multi-device control, premium minimalist design, advanced OLED protection with graphene cooling shield. Cons: premium price compared to IPS gaming monitors. 165Hz refresh rate may not satisfy users looking for 240Hz or higher. OLED panels still require occasional maintenance to reduce burn and risk. Price and availability. The Philips Evnia 32M2N6901A is expected to launch in August 2026 with a recommended retail price of £649.99. In the UK, given its premium feature set, it offers strong value compared to other flagship 32-inch QD-OLED gaming monitors available in the market. Final verdict. The Philips Evnia 32M2N6901A is one of Philips' most impressive gaming monitors to date. It combines the outstanding picture quality of a 4000 QD-OLED panel with fast gaming performance, professional-grade color accuracy, and future-ready connectivity. Features like AI Ambiglow, DisplayPort 2.1, USB-C with 90W charging, graphene cooling shield, and a built-in KVM switch make it much more than just a gaming display. Whether you're a competitive gamer, content creator, hybrid worker, or entertainment enthusiast, the Evnia 32M2N6901A delivers a premium experience across every use case. For anyone looking to invest in a high-end 32-inch OLED monitor in 2026, it stands out as one of the strongest and most versatile options in its class.